Welcome to the Juice Angel channel. I'm Lisa and this is my standard green juice, green lemonade. This is enough for 2 people or 1 greedy person like me. I use golden delicious apples in my juices. I find them to be the best ones. You can use other green apples. I tend not to use red ones as they are a bit fluffy. Regarding your lettuce, you want to try and get something as dark as possible. Iceberg lettuce doesn't happen to have much nutrition in it, for example. Always use unwaxed lemons. If you cannot buy unwaxed lemons, please peel them. You don't want wax in your juice. And wherever possible, use organic produce. Some things are more important to buy organic than others. So things with soft outers like cucumbers and celery, they do suck up a lot of pesticides. Things like bananas and avocados, for example, are not so susceptible, so it's not as important to buy organic. If you can't buy organic, wash it in apple cider vinegar or bicarbonate of soda. You can add ginger or celery or anything else you fancy to this juice really, but a secret to a great green juice is to put lemon and apple in. The lemon cuts through the green and the apple sweetens. You could also use a pear if you prefer the flavour of that, but they tend to be thicker. This is a slow juicer that I'm using, so it doesn't get bothered about the order. You can see there the pulp's really dry. Don't ever put the knife in like I did while it's running. Mine was stopped when I did that. Let me know what you think of this green juice and how you get on. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to hear your comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.